How to find Coinbase promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're going to find the search box, type in Coinbase promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, boopandfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Coinbase. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $10 off, $50 off, 20% off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. Then you can copy the code and click on Redeem at Coinbase. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account. Then you can use this code. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Coinbase. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Coinbase. So this is how you can easily find Coinbase working promo code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.